it happened. Can you see? It's the first time for everything. And today, boys and girls, I shattered my first screen. Let's take a moment to remember the screen and all of the great Bloxels games we made on it. All of the fantastic programs we made with Scratch. All of the Google Slides projects. So, as you know, I like to pride myself in innovation. I like to think of myself as an innovator. I like to keep things like this to develop new uses for it. So I came up with this great idea to store tablets. I would have my Kindles just like that. Looks cool, it's sleek, it's organized. Then I had a charger right next to the rack. Well, today, boys and girls, the unthinkable happened. I went to plug the black Kindle in, and it fell to the floor, face first, and the rest is history.